Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, February 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am very good. I need coffee.
Me too. I am very tired this morning.
It is a busy week.
Yes, it is always busy here.
Do you want a coffee?
Yes, please, black coffee.
Okay, 1 black coffee for you,
Thank you, David.
and 1 coffee with milk for me.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, 2 sugars, please.
Here is the sugar.
Thanks. So, Alex, did you read the news?
Which news?
The news from this week.
I read a little bit. Why?
There are some interesting stories.
Tell me more.
Did you see the New York Times on January 27?
No, I did not. What does it say?
It talks about the Global Water Tax Initiative.
Oh, really? A tax on water?
Yes, it is very controversial.
What is the tax for?
The article says it is a 5% tax.
5% is a lot.
Yes, it is on bottled water exports.
Ah, I understand. It is for international trade.
Exactly. The United Nations wants this money.
Why do they want the money?
They want to help countries with droughts.
That sounds like a good idea.
Maybe for the world, yes.
But not for business?
No, not for business. My clients are angry
Why are they angry?
because it costs more money.
Business is always about money.
Yes, if water is expensive, products are expensive.
But David, water is a resource.
I know.
We need to protect water.
I agree, but 5% is high.
It is a difficult situation,
Yes, the article says rich countries hate it.
and poor countries need it.
Correct. It is a big debate.
Do you drink bottled water?
Sometimes, but now it will be expensive.
Maybe you should bring a bottle from home.
That is a good idea. It is cheaper.
And it is better for the planet.
You are always very practical, Alex.
I try to be.
Well, that is the first story.
Is there more news?
Yes. Did you see CNN on January 29?
I think so. Is it about technology?
Yes, it is about the smart glasses in the classroom.
Oh, yes. I read that headline.
It is crazy.
What does the article say exactly?
It says schools are banning these glasses
Why are they banning them?
because the glasses record video.
Ah, that is a problem.
The glasses look like normal glasses.
So, students can record the teacher?
Yes, they can record everything.
That is not good for privacy.
The article says parents are angry too.
Why are parents angry?
Some parents want the glasses
Why do they want them?
for safety. They want to see their children,
I understand that.
but the schools say no.
It is distracting for students.
Yes, and students can cheat on tests.
How can they cheat?
The glasses have AI, they give answers.
Wow, technology is very fast.
It is too fast sometimes.
Do you want smart glasses?
Maybe they look cool.
But people can record you.
That is true. I do not like that.
Imagine in a meeting here.
Oh no, that is terrible.
If I record you in a meeting,
Please do not do that.
I am joking.
You are funny today.
I try. So, what is the third story?
This one is about movies.
I like movies.
Me too. It is from the Washington Post.
Which day?
January 28.
Okay, what is the title?
It is called the 30-minute movie trend.
30 minutes? That is very short.
Yes, it is a new trend in cinemas
Why are they so short?
because people are busy.
Or maybe people are lazy.
The article says attention spans are short.
That is sad.
I think it is great.
Why is it great?
I can watch a movie in my lunch break.
But 30 minutes is not enough.
Why not?
You cannot tell a good story.
Sure you can. TV shows are 30 minutes.
But a movie is different.
The article says tickets are cheaper too.
How much are they?
They are $5.
That is a good price.
Yes, $5 for 30 minutes?
Are the directors happy?
No, the directors are very angry.
I understand them.
They say it is not art.
It is content, not art.
You are very serious about movies.
I love cinema. I like long stories.
I fall asleep in long movies.
You sleep in the cinema?
Yes, if it is 3 hours I sleep.
David, that is a waste of money.
That is why I like the 30-minute idea.
So we have expensive water.
Yes?
We have spyglasses in schools.
Yes.
And we have very short movies.
It is a strange week, right?
The world is changing fast.
Too fast for me.
But we have coffee.
Yes, we have coffee.
Is your coffee good?
It is okay, it is hot.
That is the most important thing.
How is your work today?
I have a project meeting at 10.
Is it a big project?
Yes, it is very big.
Good luck with that.
Thank you, and you?
I have to call 5 clients.
About the water tax?
I hope not. I want to sell products.
Just be nice to them.
I am always nice.
Sometimes you talk too much.
That is my job. I am a salesperson.
That is true.
By the way, are you free for lunch?
Maybe what time?
At 1 o'clock.
I think I am free.
We can go to the cinema.
To watch a 30-minute movie?
Yes, it is perfect.
You really want to see one.
I want to see if it is good.
Okay, let's go at 1.
Great. But you pay for the popcorn.
Fine, but only a small popcorn.
Deal. See you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Work hard.
You too. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.